I gotta say a farewell, a rest in peace, and some other really nice stuff. A good friend of mine happened to die this morning, and it's not sitting right with me. So I'm gonna dedicate this whole video to Jason Adderley. It's Kenneth Jason Adderley, 48 years old, died of a heart attack. It's a damn shame. Great guy, great laugh, big heart, big guy. But so this one's for you, Jason, up in heaven, wherever the hell you're at. I know you're hunting and fishing, so this one is tailored for you. Send you off right, because we used to do quite a bit of drinking back in the day. So, all right, sir. That's some good stuff. Let's get to it. This here's Clint. I'm half the whiskey drinkers. Jim Bob can't be here today. See, he decided he was going to go to the zoo. Now, I know what you're saying. He's been to the zoo before. I know. But this time he decided he wanted to go to the zoo and do a little experiment. He was going to throw popcorn at the polar bears to see if the polar bears would eat the popcorn. Who knows? Jim Bob does weird things. All right, let's get to it. What we got right here is pretty hard tube, I might say. This has been sent to us by the Huntsman Forge, Huntsman Forge, custom blades made in the United States of America. God bless America. I'm not exactly sure how to get this open because it looks like a pipe ball. I really, honestly don't know how to get this open. That's why we have a neck knife. Let's see if we maybe cut around here. Make sure I don't slip and cut my damn finger off. Come on. Open up, damn it. I don't know how this comes apart. Oh, there's a piece of wood in there. There's a piece of wood. Now this here, you get this in a box, and then you get this tube with tape on it and wood, and still not exactly sure how to get this thing off. Oh, that way. Pry it. How the hell is this thing? It ain't coming off. Maybe there's something under here. Maybe there's something under a label. Some more tape. Oh, I think I see the culprit there. Under this label, there's more tape. You gotta give it to somebody that puts this much care into their packaging. Jesus, they don't want this thing falling out, that's for sure. It looks like there's a nail in it. Come on, Jesus. Oh, there's a couple nails in it. Alright, so what we got is a heavy cardboard tube with a piece of wood and 1, 2, 3, 4 nails in it. How the hell am I going to get them out? So apparently if you get one of these knives, you need to have a garage full of tools just to get the knife out. So let's use this screwdriver here, pry that thing up. I hope I don't step on that later. Goodness gracious. This man really went above and beyond when it comes to Jesus. Let's save those. You got roofing nails. I'm going to save those in case we have to put any shingles on the house later on. Oh, that one almost stabbed me in the pecker. But keep these because you never know when these nails might come in handy. Alright. Get this piece of wood out of here. Ah, that's nice. We'll save that. We'll use that as a hockey puck. Maybe we'll paint it black. There's some more paper. And here we go. We got all kinds of stuff in here. Some paper. And that's the tip. We don't need that. All right. Oh, we got a personalized letter here. We got a business card. We got a sticker. Pretty nice little sticker right there. We got a pen. It's got his name on it, his phone number. Does it work? Look at that. The pen even works. He's not giving away bullshit. That's a good pen. I'll read the letter first. It says, Dear Clinton Jim Bob, I would like to personally thank you for trusting me to make you a family heirloom. Looks like me and Jim Bob will be fighting over this one. This custom hunting knife I forged for you is made out of 1095 high carbon steel. That's the same thing that hell's the name of this company? K-Bar makes theirs out of. That's good. So it will last for generations to come. High carbon steels are prone to rust if not oiled when not in use. I recommend hand washing only and dry and oil immediately after cleaning. I've used a dyed and stabilized birch wood along with G10 liners, whatever the hell any of that is. Pin accompanied by a custom Huntsman forged mosaic pin for the handle. It comes in the hand laid. I can't read. Should have been drinking. Comes in a handmade leather sheath. I guarantee my craftsmanship 100% for life under proper care and use of the knife. 100% guarantee. That's good. I will sharpen the knife one time for free. That's not bad. I charge $5 to resharpen each additional item. Please enjoy the newest addition to your knife collection. You will not be disappointed. Signed, M.M. Huntsman Forge. Well, hell, that's pretty nice of them. Put this back. And let's open this basket. Bubble wrapped. And, oh, that's pretty. That's a nice sheath right there. You can tell that's definitely handmade, hand stitched. You know, because the stitching ain't perfect. Now I know what you're saying. If it's not perfect, then why the hell do you have it? But imperfect stitching just has class to it. Has niceness. Now this is pretty snazzy. This is pretty damn snazzy. All right, let's pull this son of a bitch out. Well, touch my nose with it. Well, it smells like metal. That's a good start. It looks sharp. Oh yeah. It's got a 5-blade. Wow. That's real nice. That is kind of speechless. I really like the orange in there and the kind of camo type of handle there. That reminds me of definitely some deer hunting. This is just got a really good. I bet we could throw that. I mean, it's a little handle heavy, but not bad. I bet we could throw that. Well, it didn't stick. That's hard to do. It made a dent. But it doesn't have much of a point, which is a good thing, because the point is always the first thing to break off. So that tells me this is not a stabbing knife, but this is in fact a slicing knife. Oh yeah, that'll cut. That'll cut. Or as they say in that show, forged in fire, steel fire, whatever.
It will kill.
Or it will cut. I don't know what the hell they say. I don't really watch that show. But yeah, it'll hurt you. That is really nice. It's got a real nice edge to it. You can see like it's a little oily, but it's supposed to be because it was packaged. But you can see where the blade part of it really has a nice taper to it. A nice thick blade. That was my phone. So that there means that with that thick blade, it's going to take some abuse without breaking on you. That is pretty. Want to put some insert shots of that thing in there. Of course, I can get all the finger marks off it now. But yeah, the nice sheath that comes with it, that there would be a good gutting knife. As a matter of fact, I will be using this on the first deer I get this year. This will be my gutter. I really like that deep finger guard there. Really keep your finger from getting sliced to bits and pieces. So if you got a bigger hand, that fits pretty nice. Because you wouldn't want to use it like that. That don't make no sense. Because then just slide out or whatever. But you choke up on it. Maybe do some whittling or something. See, like that. Just do some whittling. I like that a lot. That is pretty damn nice. Well, not much more to say about it because I don't really know that much. But $10.95 I do know is a good steal. Like I said, it's Huntsman Forge. And we'll put a link to the website. And I'm not going to put his phone number out there even though it's on the business card. Because you can find that on the website. And then this little Huntsman Forge sticker, I'll put that on the car. Not on the car. I'll go on the truck. Actually, this might go in the Jeep. I'm going to put it somewhere. Hell, I don't know what I'm doing yet. But that's a nice knife. I mean, you know, as, what's his name? Crocodile Dundee D would say.
That's a knife.
I like it. I like it. All right, well, I'm going to go cut some stuff because this thing looks like I need to play with it. That sounded really bad. But you know what I mean. I'm going to go play with it. Get on the table.
You want to hear what he said the first time?
Yeah, go ahead.
You gotta push the up to it, get it replaced.
Yeah, let's go with that first one.